Ready to ditch the hassle of inventory and start selling custom products on autopilot? First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for Gelato. Once you find it, click at App to begin the installation process and give Gelato the necessary permissions to connect to your store. After installation, you will be redirected to Gelato. Here you need to navigate to the store section within your Gelato dashboard and select Shopify. Click Connect to begin linking your Shopify store with Gelato. Now, let's create your first product. Go to Product tab, upload your design, choose your product type like a shirt, mug, or poster and customize it to your liking using Gelato's design tools and place it where you desire. Once you're happy with your design, set your pricing and product details, such as descriptions and sizes. Now, this will be shown to your customers, so make sure that all information are correct. Finally, sync the product to your Shopify store with just one click. Gelato will automatically handle production, printing, and shipping directly to your customers whenever an order is placed on your Shopify store. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Gelato with Shopify. Now you can focus on creating awesome designs and growing your brand while Gelato takes care of the rest.